not here yet. Here. Danny, take it. It's from Jumbo. You got it from Jumbo?
I live like 10 minutes from it.
Yo, who you play for?
Isn't he so cute?
Brown man from Tuah.
Oh, you swap now?
No, because I said yes to him from a long time ago. I didn't know the exact date. He texted me after the game like, hey, you're so good for us. I go, but he texted actually at the end of my
Is this why he was 10 minutes late? But he got himself a bath too. Did you drink it?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Taste that.
Taro.
No. Saying credit, you're good? Got you. Happy birthday. Thank you, brother. I just hit the camera, whoopsie.
Nice. What did you do, man?
Just chill, bro. I played a tournament, we won. That's all I could ask for, man. Chilled with these guys, went to shoot. Which one? One in Bond. The shooters in Bond, so we went there. Yeah, good time. Yeah, man. Bond's good. How are you? Not too bad. Busy as fuck, yeah, as always. Hello, how are you? How you been? How was it? Right. Yeah? What place you come in? Okay,
Second
good.
last.
Right. Yeah.
West Cycle.
Yeah.
And then in crossover, we played Connex City.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And then today, first game we played Connex City.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Second game was Silent Boundary.
Yeah.
But basically, it was like spam area ball.
Yeah.
That's what happened. I was like,
It's alright. Good for you guys. Proper.
to be quite fair, I usually hit it.
Oh, do you?
And I'm like,
Yeah.
there's a arrow is cold.
It's tough.
But I did get a block.
Yeah, it's tough. That's alright.
Are you gonna stay over here?
You're one on your team.
Where are they? It's good? You look like you thought you were gonna hate it.
No, it's good. That one's actually good. The other ones I tried are bad.
You like this?
Yeah,
You got the exact order. How'd you know?
because she told me.
She did.
But he paid for it, he went and got it.
You know everything. It's because he's close to Ridgeway.
Turn it up to me with them.
It's funny because he was like, why don't we
Rivals to friends, bro.
I said it first, that's why.
How's
I
the
was
center?
dying for it today. Because I was dying for it today. And so I was like, guys, we have to go to Ridgeway. And then CP was like, I can just grab it for you.
Did he wait? That line is like really bad there.
Yeah, so after you already like were all the way
order
here,
online.
I found out you could order.
Oh, I'm dead.
Did you wait in line?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
It wasn't like ginormous out the door, but there was like good 4 or 5 people there. But yo, inside sitting was packed.
Yeah.
Well, I've been to Fit Courts, and it's always packed there.
Yeah, we were at the Fit Courts. We went there.
You know what court this is?
4. Oh, what number? Sorry. What number's on that wall?
I don't have my glasses on.
I think it's 3.
That's 4, I think. Right here, that's so that has to be. This is 1, 2 here, though.
Yeah. This is 2,
It has to
3.
be one of those 2.
Did you follow up with me? Yeah.
There's no drinks in everyone. There's no drinks in everyone. It's like, that was just like a us thing, but.
She's serious with everybody.
Yo.
When me took
Yo, the sharing your drinks with everyone.
yeah,
Like the inner group, sure, but to be sharing with random men.
I have a problem.
Don't do
Not
that.
Tash.
It's just her.
Don't do that though.
Tash isn't random.
It's just her.
Yeah.
I just do it within the
no.
group.
I know. Don't do that.
You're right. Someone should have a heart.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Future ass, bro.
He's thinking about all the things he shared with me.
Yeah, I am. I should change and shit. They're not even here yet.
They're not here yet. Yeah. I was gonna go tell them.
Stop. I'm not.
No. Yeah, right there.
They're trying to go for it.
Yeah, that's over there. No, that goes that far. That's why I was like a second. And you saved my life.
Hear that? Hear that? No, you're crazy and you're calling her.
I called you too, though, did I not? Exactly.
I called you.
No, I called you. No, okay, but I tried to call first. Exactly. Like,
He's like, is it call right now? Is it call right now? Or is it Remember your roots, eh? You know we're home. You know we're home, eh? You know we're home. Get up.
Low tax. Then he wants low tax.
Bro, I was trying to get one on the way here. He's like, no. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, because you were late.
I was shading my bed sheets.
Han was like, yo, she's gonna not go and she's gonna get her own money. And I was like, no, they're too late. They're too late.
Honestly, I was like, it's fine. It's a tank top. Get up. Oh, shit.
I'm going red dahlia on the side of fucking wall. 3 grits. No change and shit. Lock the fuck
We'll
in.
be subbing drop.
Get up.
Well, that was a guy.
Do they have a lid? I'm gonna come and live for them when sitting on it.
Okay. They need it.
They do need it.
Like I could hop on now,
To
look.
be honest, go change.
Yeah, go change. To be honest, go change.
Go change. Like,
No, 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 no.